Hi everyone. It's a beautiful November day here in Southern California. I'm in Zone 10B. We just had a rainstorm pass through over the past couple of days with another arriving tomorrow. The garden is feeling fresh and alive. There's been a clear change in the weather indicating the cool season is here to stay. Over the past month, I removed the last of our warm season veggies, amended the soil in the containers, and sowed new seeds. As much as we enjoy warm season tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, and cucumbers, I prefer cool season vegetable gardening with the wide array of greens available to grow. Our young cool season veggies are thriving with the colder temperatures. I also moved the containers as the shorter days have dropped the sun lower on the horizon, casting a shadow in the garden. In this video, I'll take you on a tour of our small 100 square foot container garden and harvest some veggies. We would love to hear from you in the comments about any connections you have as you watch this video. If you get anything out of the video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin the tour at this pot of dwarf blue-curled Vates kale. It's an heirloom variety. These are compact plants producing finely curled, crinkly, bluish-green leaves. We love this in salads and Asian hot pot. In these two pots, I have more kale. This is an easy-to-grow variety of curly kale. It has heavily ruffled blue-green leaves. The label states to plant these 12 to 18 inches apart, but as you can see, I have them much closer together, about 4 to 5 inches apart, and they're doing just fine. I'm going to harvest the kale and pass it on to Ginger. She's planning to make a sausage and kale soup tonight. It's so rewarding to harvest fresh veggies from the garden for a healthy and flavorful meal. Kale, like all greens, are a cut-and-come-again veggie, so even though I'm stripping most of the leaves, more leaves will grow back for a long harvest. After washing and trimming the kale, Ginger added them to a pot with Italian sausage, potatoes, onions, garlic, mushrooms, diced tomatoes, garbanzo beans, and chicken stock. The soup turned out amazing and really hit the spot on this cool fall evening. In this pot we have rainbow Swiss chard. Until last year we had never eaten Swiss chard. Now we add it to salads, Asian hot pots, and most recently Ginger prepared it Japanese style with an umami sauce and sesame seeds. Check the link in the description to watch her make it. In these pots I have Corvair Spinach. This is one of our favorite cool season veggies. It produces high yields of large, deep green, oval leaves. If you'd like to see me divide these plants from nursery pots, check the link in the description. I'm growing Corvair spinach in succession. These seedlings are a couple of weeks old. As these plants mature, they'll allow me to continually harvest over a longer period of time. In this pot, I'm growing a lettuce called Butter Crunch. It's advertised as having compact heads with crisp leaves. This is my first time growing this bok choy. It's called red choy. It's a leafy veggie with high disease resistance. It has deep green leaves with red veins that mature to maroon with green undersides. In these pots, I'm growing pak choy, which I started from seed. This is a hardy, cold-tolerant veggie that has a slightly mustard flavor. We love this veggie in Asian hot pot. In this grow bag, I'm growing Daikon radishes. These seeds were sown a couple of weeks ago. The loose soil in this grow bag will allow these Daikon radish roots to grow long and straight. These are Japanese turnip seedlings that I'm growing in succession. Here's another pot of turnips that I started about a month ago. This variety is called Tokinashi Kokabu. It's known for its excellent, sweet, crisp flavor with white flesh and mild greens. Here's a beautiful pot of carrots. This variety is called Tender Sweet. These grow to 8 to 10 inches long. They have deep orange-red roots and have exceptional sweetness. I'm growing more of these carrots in succession, so here you see some seedlings that are a couple of weeks old. As they grow out, I will thin to the strongest seedling so that they're about 2 to 3 inches apart. This is a Japanese mustard green called komatsuna. It's a dark green leafy veggie in the brassica family. It has a mild, fresh, and slightly mustard-like flavor. As you can see, we've been cutting off the leaves over the past couple of weeks. I'm going to harvest this and put it in salad. As I'm harvesting, I'm noticing damage to these leaves, and I also see excrement down at the base of the leaves, which indicates to me that there are caterpillars in these plants, or perhaps in the leaves that I harvested. So I'll have to be on the lookout for those caterpillars when I wash the leaves. In this pot, I sowed Detroit dark red beet seeds, and as you can see, they're doing very nicely. They're still over on their side and kind of floppy, but over time they'll grow upright. Here's a beautiful pot of beets. This variety is called Chioggia Guardsmark. I picked up these plants at the garden center. It has a bullseye pattern of red and white when sliced, and has a sweet and mild flavor. In these pots we have lacinato kale. It's also known as dinosaur kale or Tuscan kale. This is one of our favorite leafy greens. The leaves are dark blue-green, bumpy, and crinkled. It has a rich and sweet flavor. We love lacinato kale in chopped salad and in Asian hot pot. In these two pots I have arugula, and they have been growing like crazy. We've been harvesting from these two pots for several weeks and they just keep coming back. Arugula has a peppery and nutty flavor. We like to use it in salads and as a topping on pizza. I cleaned and chopped the komatsuna, lacinato kale, and arugula from today's harvest and added it to this flavorful salad mix. In the herb corner I have parsley. These are Thai peppers, green onions from cuttings, cilantro, arugula started from seed, this is a pot of mint, basil, Korean chives, and thyme. Let's take a look at our harvest today. Here we have curly kale, komatsuna, arugula, and lacinato kale. So there you have it. This was a November update of our small 100 square foot kitchen garden. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please consider liking and sharing this video with people you know. Please consider subscribing to our channel. We would really appreciate your support. And as always, thank you so much for watching.